Every place tells a story. Everywhere we go, we feel the presence of the past.
When we look closely, we can see history all around us.
It's more than just knowing where we are. It's knowing where we come from.
What if the stories of the past turned our landscape into a canvas of discovery?
What if we could hear the voices of those who came before us as we walk the same streets that they did?
What if we could walk in the footsteps of our past and experience the stories that shaped who we are?
When we share our stories with others, they grow into something more. They become the history of our people for all of us to learn from.
When we discover the history all around us with Clio, we learn more about ourselves and others.
Technology changes, but history endures.